Crest Media TV, iraka lyawe.
Tuanza kutera hefuka yo kubanza RDC chairman kawadia sawa dikoni. Congratulations. Mutandike kare wewe nonga wasaba umuntu wakutunga
Mugombora eyakazo umusero ya Chantumo Markazo district habaho kwigurisha isomero rya senior rya Chantumo secondary school kwigurisha isomereri kwayibemberwa DEO wa Cyuruhura na Rumwete district education officer umwami Robert Agume akwatanise n'abembezi bagenzi be bo mu Kazo district. Mukorogu gwatandikanikisha ngo cyihanga ubwo cyemberwa beji ba Chantumo secondary school na bwanyuma akorataho kushaba kwemberwa muri sawe kanse ya Chantumo Church of Uganda.
We lay our future in thy hand, united, free, fully, united together we always stand.
Mantukulamia Christine sa eva huvyona eva prania umuricyanto muri izoba twageraho akamwenyo amata bene nyamhanganisha izindi zagumayo n'ibiryo bizakorwa ntibito mu mikono yawe batwebe imbere mu kutratera ijya muhere tukusime iwe Yesu Kristo mukama wetu amina.
Mukorogu gwahitamo abembezi nyamwinji kandi ababembewe chairperson LC5 ahwa Kazo district Reverend Samuel Mushaka Tugunda kandi ogu yahiga abantu ba Chantumo nangu n'abanyakazo kutwaza hamwe ngo bagire ebe batandikaho rero government igira huyabashanga kubakwatiraho
imumka ate besi yo kubekiriza nabo basabuka unte bakayiba mwineho ki minaho kanche kandi njyango mu mukene n'abagenzi bakakire bakaye kwenda kuja kuri shomerero kuri leta batandika kare batandika shomero akaka grupo ya Chantumo mwina magezi garengere batandika hakashomera hatukuza kuta project ya government ahandi nogire kiwagirota kiwashangaho nani mpora hati mwebwa nagamba irwaro manyina bo mbagire kibashangaho ati no banza notaho rero bagira ngo abakazi benda mutereza hinka abapori mutereza hinka rero bo barunufta
Kansara abakazo district umwamidandu bwa Munyoga kandi ogu nawe yagira ngo abantu kore cicweka cyabo batekwa kubanza kugira obusinge kandi yasima chairman LC5 ahubwo nkwatanisa nunji
beni nkuru myaka kuna cyetegereza nagira ntunsitekwa kugira obusinge mu kore cicweka cye nekereza gukora n'umwami Gatugunda kandi ko nekirize kutwarigira mu karuru chairman ogu yampagira kuba speaker wa district atereka mbagambire nkantambazi nangwa kuchona kegombora yakazi nije kutarivo ya ntambazi akwatize twayombeka ishomero lya Meramu twayombeka Nyakinombe twayombeka Buterana twayombeka Kigarama twatindo rwa bagenda sugosere ngo katwenda kwindura izina twataho tino rwa sugosere hata abantu nabarabaho twatinda hibu kweta mudukurani atwayombeka Chantumo
Chairman Board of Governors habwo shomero erya Chantumo ubwo nawe yasima government okutekateka ahari Kyantumo nk'ekicweka.
Government sima munonga ituka body ya Kyantumo Secondary School our offer imutehire batanise na central government of course y'ukutombekera secondary nkirize mbanjure board members betu aba Kyantumo Secondary School kandi bashobora mu imbere amarebe cyakwa kamba ngizero mesho kamba shobora mu izo mesho ubwo numukama waitu district inspector of schools wa Northern Korea Diocese kandi ubwo ni headmaster Isaac akandwanaho Chaine nowe board member kandi n'uwakutebekanisiza omukoro ogwo Lebo Mushabe board member George Muramuzi board member Right Honorable Dani Nahura wa Munyoga n'uwakora akakiga ka education academic and discipline
Reverend Stewart Amanya kandi ori inspector w'amashombe ga Northern Korea Diocese kandi wajwe kya bishop nawe yasima abantu ba Kyantumo okwatansa na government.
District Secretariat n'abebembezi mwe n'abaryaha Chairperson Board of Governors Kyantumo Secondary School akakiiko kawe area priest urukurebera umwanya students leadership na entire body n'abacyaro mu bitinisa byayo. Izina ryanjye Reverend Stewart Amanya, Diocese Inspector of Schools kandi najwekera office y'umureberezi aha Mukorogo. Bishop ekiryaha nakimanya kandi ari enyuma y'entebe kanisa yacho kandi yanyohereza kumujwekera aha Mukorogo. Niza kutandika ndokusima Kyantumo community tuikereza kimwe ngo ibintu tugiye kora kurwa abantu kandi abantu b'ibicweka.
Captain Yahaya Kakoza RDC ahabwa Kazo district nawe yagira ngo percent ya 9 harigana y'abakozi abakwija gukora kombe kishomeri ya Kyantumo barije umuri Kazo district rero cyeza abanyakazi b'imirumo.
Umanyi fabiro kitegeeza okuyingira mu kitundu contract amgenda kweta abakozi bameka 100 workers. Are you ready to feed 100 workers? Ebihimba mubine mihogo eriho ebitoke amate obushuma. So let us be ready to accommodate this big money. Ezo sente zizira mukazo esene mezali mukazo kati goja kubera wali ninyino obworo tuli kubi otunze ki bano bagenda kulya bagenda kunywa bagenda kwebaka abantu 10 bagenda kusura wa enyumba zo kupangisa muzirina. Very good. Amataka okunya wegali. Ezo sente zigenda kwazikola ki zisigala wano mukazo. Contractor abakozi bawe 90% balina kuba mukazo. These are jobs. CBO, I want this. 90% of the people to work here must come from Kazu. Abakozi tubine. Be ready. That's why I was asking. Are you ready?
Master wa Kyantumo Secondary School omwamekandwa nao Isaac nawe yasima government na district ya Kazo kutwaza hamwe ahabo kwishika Kyantumo Secondary School wahabo kuba bafite imyaka 8 bategereza ubuyambi wa government kunga kandi izo bacyashyikira.
Gitakanwa no Isaac kandi ekikya wishumbiya Chantumo Secondary School yisima Ruhanga abwizobe ryashyikira izobere bingirwe tutegereze Chantumo Secondary School ubona bakota kumanya yashite imyaka 8 iriyo tegereze government ije kwati konka abimwe bazarangiriza cyashyikira wenu nisima district na government ya NRM ishika umwanya wo kwiyentufana na structures starho konka icyamana munonga nubwo ibyona bitaro abeji ba Chantumo navuma habaye bose bakoraje ombye mizano mu academics sima abantu mwena abose batekateka ishomerere munonga na munonga district ya Kazo kwiho bumpandika ebarina handi kumani secretary ebiraviri na shatu byo kwikumena kumwe ekumi biraviri ne shatu ebar hejo ni nyango ranka kumanaji kwesa munonga ngwena tureba ina impandika yo munishobora uko abana bitu barugumuteka cyo batakwebasa bintu bintu yetagubiya mu government kandi abembazi hanga yakikiriza finally tose ndishabira twakikiriza abashomesa nimbasima isima bashomesa abubwo.
The name is Ajibadru Mayanja, the Chief Administrative Officer Kazo. We are here launching the commencement of the construction of a 4 billion seed school here at Chantumo in the Kazo district. We appreciate the government of Uganda under the leadership of the NRM Party and the 7 for bringing up these projects. There are two we're having two. One is in Burunga, which is going to cost like 3 billion, and this one is going to cost like 4 billion. This is the government program and policy of having secondary schools in every sub-county. When you look around, this school is located in a very suitable place where we do not have secondary schools. There is no secondary school, government secondary school, and students travel distances to access secondary school. So I'm sure it's going to help a good number of parents, one, and also the students. It's well facilitated. It's going to have all the computers, the necessary computers, the necessary laboratory kits, and also pay for the teachers as well.
Mukoro ogu gwahendya no kufutera efuka y'okubanza aha musingi gw'okwombeka ishomero rya Chantumo kandi ekikyayebembera kya Person LC5 omwami Samuel Muchaka Tugunda hamwe na RDC bakwatanise hamwe n'abayembezi bona ababari aha mukoro ogwo ogw'eriizooba. Christ Media TV ndisafura nayo